Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf had contested as a political party and it was entitled to its seats.
अगर ये बात हो जाए फिर तो आपका तो केस ही खत्म. You are nobody. These seats belongs to PTI, not to you.
No.
उन्होंने खुद आपको ज्वाइन करके जीरो कर दिया.
I think the illogicality goes the other way. Speaking for myself, that the mere fact that as a matter of form they may have joined them, the substantive reality cannot be denied. This is what the.
May I just note and complete the facts?
5 or 10 में भी इसलिए वो आपका शायद on your request matter is pending before the commission.
इसमें फैसल साहब, ये सारा मामला जो है ये अवाम का है. अवाम को किसी तौर पे डिसफ्रेंचाइज नहीं किया जा सकता और यही ड्यूटी थी इलेक्शन कमीशन की. ये टेक्निकलिटीज और इनके जरिए उस अवाम को नहीं, उनके हक नहीं लिए जा सकते थे. दैट इज द स्पिरिट ऑफ आर्टिकल 17.
Yes.
May I request through you, my colleagues, that आप जरा argue करें, because I am not following the point you want to make. Undoubtedly there will be a lot of questions, but we'll wait for you to make the point.
Yes.
Ji. So we are now seeing at page 5. What do you want to show?
Page 5. What I want to show कि election commission had on as early as 22nd February 2024 had recognized the petitioner, which is Sunni Ittihad Council, as a parliamentary party.
Okay.
Now, if I may move forward and come to page 8. This is again 22nd February 2024. And इसके साथ भी ये रिजर्व सीट्स हैं फॉर नेशनल असेंबली प्रोविंस ऑफ पंजाब. पेज 10 देख लीजिए. इसके साथ इलेक्शन कमीशन ने चार्ट लगाया हुआ है. एंड देयर at serial number 2, Sunni Ittihad Council is recognized as a parliamentary/political party.
Now it says, and both here and on the previous page that you showed us, page 5, it says general seats 1-0. Now,
कौन सा पेज देख रहे हैं सर?
आपने दिखाया था ना पेज 5
और 10 दोनों
पे था ना.
जी.
सुन्नी इत्तेहाद काउंसिल वो था जनरल सीट्स 1-0. और जो इधर पेज 10 पे आप हमें दिखा रहे हैं उसपे भी लिखा हुआ है सुन्नी इत्तेहाद काउंसिल जनरल सीट्स 1-0.
जी.
Now you have just told us that Sunni Ittihad Council in fact never contested the election. So on that basis it should not be there at all.
Yes.
So but it is there.
Yes.
So the election commission is not just accepting apparently that this is a political party, whatever, but that we did contest the general election.
Yes.
Seems to me that logically, so there's an apparent illogicality here. Election Commission data shows here is Sunni Ittihad Council never put up any candidates. Or never put up any candidates is out of the picture for the reserved seats. Fine, finished. But it says no. When it's allocating the reserved seats, it is putting down their name and as in the race for the reserved seats. But it says, sorry, you didn't win any general seats. Well, obviously they didn't win any general seats. The illogicality that seems to me, prima facie, is that the only way that the election commission could have put their name at all is if it had implicitly recognized that behind them stood the PTI people. The PTI, and if it recognizes that, then it should have put in the number of seats won by them.
Yes.
I mean, election commission can't have it both ways. It can't say, you didn't contest the general election. Well, if there are dozens probably of political parties, registered political parties that never contest the general election. So they never are in the running ipso facto for the reserved seats. Here, they show them in the running, but general seats 1-0 on what basis? If the basis is that there is someone behind them, that someone can only be the PTI, and they did win the seats.
Yes.
इसमें
We'll have to ask them
just
about
add,
this illogicality
ये-
that seems to lie at the heart of their table.
इसमें फैसल साहब गालिबन सिंस SIC ने अप्लाई किया अपने नाम से, अगर उनसे गलती भी हुई थी, वो गलती जो है जिस तरह माय लॉर्ड कह रहे हैं, इलेक्शन कमीशन की ड्यूटी थी कि उसको दुरुस्त कर लेते, और उसको जो है वो एज एन इनलिस्टेड पार्टी पाकिस्तान तहरीक इंसाफ की सीट शो करती। इफ दे कैन रिकग्नाइज SIC एज अ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी, ये दैट इज अ कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन, बट हेयर Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf had contested as a political party and it was entitled to its seats.
अगर ये बात हो जाए फिर तो आपका तो केस ही खत्म। You are nobody. These seats belongs to PTI, not to you.
No,
और उन्होंने खुद आपको ज्वाइन करके जीरो कर दिया।
I think the illogicality goes the other way.
नहीं, ये-
Speaking for myself, that the mere fact that as a matter of form they may have joined them, the substantive reality cannot be denied. This is what the
May I
this is
just
what the
note
election
and complete
commission is
the
doing.
facts?
5 और 10 में भी इसलिए वो आपका शायद
Faisal Siddiqui,
on your request
I want to
matter
hear
is
you.
pending before the commission.
इसमें फैसल साहब, ये सारा मामला जो है ये अवाम का है, अवाम को किसी तौर पे डिसफ्रेंचाइज नहीं किया जा सकता, और यही ड्यूटी थी इलेक्शन कमीशन की। ये टेक्निकलिटीज और इनके जरिए उस अवाम को नहीं, उनके हक नहीं लिए जा सकते थे। दैट इज द स्पिरिट ऑफ आर्टिकल 17।
Yes.
और इसी गलती को खुद दुरुस्त करना चाहिए था इलेक्शन कमीशन को। द पीपल शुड नॉट हैव सफर्ड, दे शुड नॉट
you
हैव
don't want to argue
बीन
further?
डिसफ्रेंचाइज्ड।
If you don't want to argue further, please take your
नहीं,
seat.
नहीं, नहीं,
I'm sorry, I will now insist that you argue the case.
Sir, I will
I'm not
just.
hearing what, I don't know what to write on that book.
I've noted. Let me just complete the facts.
मैं सिर्फ दो बातें ऐड करना चाहता हूँ अतर साहब के बयान में। बिल्कुल अवाम का विल था, अवाम ने किसी इंडिपेंडेंट को वोट नहीं दिया था, अवाम ने उस कैंडिडेट को वोट दिया था जिसको एक पार्टी सपोर्ट कर रही थी। तो ये पार्टी को अगर सपोर्ट करी तो ये कैंडिडेट उस पार्टी के थे, आपके नहीं थे, सिख के नहीं थे।
I've noted down all 10 of your lordship's question, all 10, sir.
Can you
Yeah,
come
आगे
back to
बढ़ते-
the
आगे
significance
बढ़ते
of this date, 22 February 2024? What is the significance that you want to point out? on
The
this date?
significance is that when I take your lordships through Article 51, I would argue that the basis of the allocation of reserved seats is not your percentage of vote in the election or whether you contested the election or not. It is how many seats you hold in parliament. That's the foundational
So
basis
you have
of your
shown this
allocation.
on page 10
Ji.
that this is attached with the notification
Yes.
on page 8.
Yes.
The figures that are given here, it shows the Sunni Ittihad Council to have 17 reserved seats as per this schedule, as per a formula that they've given.
नहीं, कौन सी, sorry?
पेज 10 पर आ जाए ना,
जी, जी,
जो
page
आपका
10 पे।
डॉक्यूमेंट है, आपने कहा ये नोटिफिकेशन के साथ लगा हुआ
जी, जी, जी।
इस डॉक्यूमेंट में रिजर्व सीट्स दिखाई जा रही हैं इनकी 17।
नहीं, वो है मैटर इज पेंडिंग बिफोर द कमीशन, वो 2 है।
कहाँ से
सुनिए,
देख रहे हैं आप?
देखिए जो आप पढ़ रही हैं ना,
ये
योर
देखिए ना,
लेडीशिप,
it says seats 167
वो
number of
PMLN की
independents।
है, PMLN
अच्छा, नीचे
उसके
है।
बाद वाली, अगर आप देखिएगा उसके आगे लिखा हुआ है मैटर इज पेंडिंग।
Right, okay,
सो एट
sorry.
दैट मोमेंट द मैटर हैड गॉन टू द कमीशन बिकॉज
I don't know anything.
That's-
Because you haven't told us anything.
Okay.
At that moment matter, please, I'll be waiting for you to say, give us
page
the
14,
facts.
page 14. Let me just complete the facts.
On a lighter note, if I may mention, I was once faced with a bench and I said, my lords have decided the matter, I rest my case. I mean, हम आपको सुनने बैठे हैं इधर, फिर हम फैसला कर लेंगे।
I can never say that about you.
No, कह दें चलो। आप कर लें आर्ग्यू, फिर हम सुन, आप ये सवालात पूछेंगे
I
आपसे।
think that's an unfair statement.
नहीं, आपके लिए नहीं कह
And
रहे।
it's an unfair statement.
चलें आगे, it's on a lighter note, चलें आगे बढ़ते हैं।
Full court is sitting here. Every judge is entitled to ask whatever question he or she wants at whatever stage.
Absolutely correct, but I just want to hear
So
your
no-
contentions.
In nothing should be implied that minds have been made up. That's not a fair statement, and I do not accept it.
चले फैसल साहब आप चलें प्लीज आर्ग्यू कीजिए
In defense of the Chief Justice, I think it was on the lighter note, sir.
Right, I'll repeat what I said and I'll say it with a smile.
सर आप भी लाइटर नोट पे ये कह दें।
आप फैसल साहब आप आर्ग्यू करेंगे केस या नहीं
जी,
करेंगे?
पेज 14।
चलिए
बता दें कुछ
नहीं सर, सॉरी, पेज 14 नहीं, अगर मैं आपको पेज 21 पे ले जाऊं।
So coming back to the chart, and the relevance of this is that the Election Commission has, in the very least, recognized that some independents have joined this party,
जी,
and these are the number of seats
of that party.
So
Yes.
you say they're recognized as a political party, and the requirement of the independents joining this political party is recognized
Yes.
through this document.
Yes, that's the point. And as early as 22nd February 2024, जो मैं बाद के डॉक्यूमेंट्स में आपको दिखाऊंगा कि इन्होंने फिर उसको गायब कर दिया चार्ट से।
आर्टिकल 51 में ये बताया गया कि सिर्फ ये जो प्रिविलेज है, ये हक सिर्फ आजाद उम्मीदवार का है कि वो किसी दूसरी पार्टी में शामिल।
Yes.
ये माइंड में रखें कि
Yes.
ये जो लोग शामिल हुए, they were not
Yes.
independent.
Yes.
This privilege was available to them or not, ये आपने बताना है।
जी।
क्या वो शामिल हो सकते थे?
जी।
अगर हो सकते थे तो उसकी बुनियाद पे रिजर्व सीट इनको मिल सकती
जी।
या सिर्फ आजाद को शामिल करने के बाद मिल सकती?
वो आपका जरा सा फंडामेंटल क्वेश्चन, आई विल कम टू दैट, लेट मी जस्ट पेज 21 सर।
मेंटल से होगा तो आगे चलेंगे।
जी आई विल आंसर ऑल 10 क्वेश्चन सर। पेज 21, इसमें भी अगर आप देखिएगा, दिस इज फॉर नॉन मुस्लिम्स 23rd February 2024 है, और इसका साथ भी चार्ट अगर आप देखिएगा, और सीरियल नंबर 3 पे जरा देखिएगा, number of independents joining the Sunni Ittihad Council 81 and number of seats they have after joining 81.